Alright, so I'm doing a little Sunday drive, a little mini drive. I call it the Black Diamond short drive. There's this great little stretch of road. I mean, this isn't a bad stretch aside from the traffic that you hear in the background, but there's a little stretch farther up that is fun to drive, and I just needed to get out on the road. It's been a pretty light driving summer, which is unfortunate. I mean, I had one sort of longer trip down to California, but I didn't really get to hang out that much, and there was definitely some routing mishaps on that particular drive. So I just decided to take a quick break and do a couple hours out here by Black Diamond and by Auburn. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. First off, I need to apologize for so much dark and noisy footage. I made the mistake of triggering exposure lock when I was parked, and it really had a negative effect on my recording. I'm not hitting it super hard in this area. I've seen plenty of state police out here before, and based on some of the other cars and motorcycles sharing the asphalt with me, this stretch is probably a pretty common go for a drive road. And as fate would have it, you stand a good chance of getting stuck behind a driver that is a little less eager than you are. This same situation would of course repeat later when I was out here with Finn. Here's the left turn onto Southeast 366th Street I should have taken, and I managed to get it right the next time I was out here a week later. Franklin Enumclaw Rd Southeast starts out pretty bumpy and straight, but as you continue, the road smooths out and offers up a nice set of curves. Be aware, though, there is a quarry about halfway down the way, and large trucks may be entering or leaving the quarry. Once you're past the quarry entrance, you'll be driving through a curvy decline in a tunnel of trees until you finally reach the right turn up and onto Southeast Greenriver Gorge Road. Here's where you start the declining turns before getting onto Greenriver Gorge Road. Here we have the highlight of this little adventure. Southeast Greenriver Gorge Road is a 2-lane, well-maintained road. It is a short 1.8 miles of driving enjoyment, small rolling elevation changes coupled with interlocking curves, short straights, and one really nice drop make this a forest jam. If there are any downsides, it's not long enough, and on nice days, be on the lookout for bicyclists. Right here is where you get the first glimpse of the turns and dips and rises in the road. It looks awesome.